I'd like to welcome you to the Molson Open Day. Clearly like to thank everybody, all of our customers who have attended the event over the last 3 days. It's been a very humbling experience. It's been a very joyful experience. We've had a great time, we've been blessed with the weather, that's fabulous. I'd like to thank all of the supply chain that have supported us to put this event on. I think they've done a fabulous job. I can't possibly begin to thank hundreds of people who've contributed to this joint endeavour, but I know, looking at people and from the feedback I've had from the customers and the attendees who have, to a person, not spoken about the wonderful Husqvarna robotic machine, the beautiful Kobelcos, the fabulous Zenobogans, they've all said it's the friendliness, the smile and the welcome. And that has been absolutely head and shoulders above anything, the most noticeable thing. So I'd like to thank all of the Molson team for the effort and energy that they've put into this.